Good morning from Brandon, Manitoba on this Tuesday, December 20th. It's 8:30. The sun is just coming up and we're leaving Manitoba, going to get into Ontario today. Kenora is the goal, about a little over 400 kilometers, so it's a long day, so we're hoping that the conditions hold up. The sun's coming out here, but we don't know what lies ahead as far as snowfall goes. It's minus 29 on my dial this morning. The van read minus 31. So yeah, never experienced such cold. And I've been Canadian all my life. Grew up in Ontario, and we got some cold, but I don't ever remember minus 30s and such. So the vehicle started. Whoop, whoop. Only a couple more days, hopefully, that we got to stress about that, and then it'll be stressing more about the amount of snowfall and the snow coverage on the roads. But what we have decided is after today we're going to take short jaunts, like 200, maybe 250 kilometers through Ontario, because they're getting a lot of snow. So we're just going to kind of play it by weather forecast and go a little bit at a time. At this point, there's no rush. We're well on our way to Nova Scotia now. The goal there is to just get there, really, alive and well. I'm sure we'll both be very, very tired, but alive is the key. Is the key there? Yep. Holy smokes. Shit. Oh, that's scary. Oh my. Holy shit. Freaking scary. Damn, I hope nobody got hurt. Second time we've seen, well, I didn't see the other one on fire, but I saw the remnants of the fire. I wonder what happens. Jeez, it's scary. Well, we made it into Winnipeg. We're still about 200 and maybe 230 kilometers from Kenora. Maybe a little less. I'm not sure. You lose track of time and kilometers out here. But made it to Winnipeg, so that's good. It's gone up to a big minus 20. It's like super nice and warm now compared to the minus 31 that we started on this morning. It's 11:15. Probably have a couple more stops, a few more hours, and then we'll be in Kenora. Yay, Ontario! we made it to Kenora. I had two super scary moments today. One was almost sideways, the other kind of going sideways. Just the tires just aren't. They're really nice tires, but they're just not made for -20 ice. I need a dedicated winter tire, and I've got an all season for.
And for one of those Mercedes 4-wheel drive right now.
I bet. Yeah, I
Engine control just keeps going on and off and on and off.
Oh my god, I don't know how he's doing it. Now we just gotta make it to the hotel. This is Highway 17, which is the Ontario's equivalent to the number 1.